If your dad is anything like mine, he loves upgrading the yard. So this year, I got him something from AQLighting Group. Let's unbox the in-ground well light kit and see what's inside. You get 3 fully enclosed OIG-4B in-ground well light fixtures. They're 12-volt, solid, and built to handle outdoor use. You also get 2 cover options: a flat grill cover and an open cover, so you can choose the look and protection that works best for your yard. This kit uses AQL's no-splice connection system with jumpers, tees, and power connectors. Translation: super easy DIY install. These are PAR 36 bulbs, really versatile. You can choose warm white or cool white, different wattages, and different beam spreads depending on what you're lighting: palm trees, flagpoles, or anything tall. The bulb drops right into the saddle, and you can tilt it to aim the light exactly where you want it. It angles beautifully. This is the flat grill cover, great if you're worried about leaves or wood chips. It protects the glass while keeping everything sealed. And this is the open cover, with a convex lens and gasket. Just make sure it's seated properly and tighten the screws in a star pattern like a car tire so everything stays even and sealed. The kit also comes with a 15-volt AC transformer. 1 screw is all it takes to mount it, and it's designed so water sheds right off. Honestly, this is one of those gifts dads actually use: clean install, strong lighting, and a yard that looks better every night. Learn more about how to connect lights using NSC system and setting up the timer. Subscribe to our channel.